Hi everybody, my name's Kim Lacey. I'm an independent associate of the Super Patch Company, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about these patches. I'm going to read a little bit about the company and what it's all about, and then tell you a few frequently asked questions and the answers that I understand to be true. So the Super Patch Company officially launched in North America in January of 2023. The patches are a result of over 15 years of research and development by a man named Jay Dollywall, who is the CEO of our company. Our patches are manufactured in the Minnesota, USA, by the 3M company. They are FDA registered as a Class 1 medical device. The patch itself is made at 3M using their proprietary FDA-registered surgical-grade medical tape and adhesive, which is latex-free. Each patch is unique with its own neural code that creates a response in the body. We have 6 clinical peer-reviewed and published medical studies that prove that these patches work. We also have tens of thousands of testimonies that show the technology is effective and safe. There are no ingredients of any kind in or out or on the patches. The ridges you see on each patch is what creates the response. I won't begin to try to explain how the ridges send signals through the skin to our brain, but that's how it works. I've listened to Jay Dollywall explain it many times, and I will tell you that it's best to keep it simple and see the results for yourself. That is what matters most. We are here to help people live a better quality of life, and the super patches are the safest technology I have ever seen that really works. I read testimonies and hear stories from friends every day that are so inspiring. It keeps me motivated to share these patches with the world. So I wanted to read a little bit. This is a pamphlet that I give out to people that want to know more. And this is my little QR code if you want to scan it. But this is what I'm going to read you. This little information there. You can take a screenshot if you want. Let's see here. So, the patches are FDA registered. They're made in the USA. They're made of medical grade polyethylene and adhesives. They're hypoallergenic, drug-free, non-invasive, not addictive. They will not counteract any medications. They are age safe, pregnancy safe, easy to use, and they come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So that's awesome. All right, so that's kind of the basics. I also want to do a disclaimer that we do not treat, cure, or promise to treat or cure any illness or disease. We do not make these claims at all. Each patch is encoded with these little patterns. I don't know if you can see the pattern on there, that help optimize your body. So when your body is optimized, it works better and everything else is better and a lot of symptoms improve. So that's exciting. So what's in these patches? People ask all the time, and we have, I think, 12 patches. There's nothing in them. They just have these little ridges that carry the neural code. How does it work? The code in each patch, which is different. There, you can even see the patterns different. The code is different in each one. And let's say this one's the Freedom Patch. It's one of our most important or famous or most ordered patches because it's for pain specifically. It's a drug-free way to reduce the pain in your body. So what it does is the neural code in here helps reduce your feelings of pain in your body. So okay, let's see. So that's what that is. How long do they last? They last for 24 hours. So you only have to wear one instead of taking multiple pills or injections or anything else that you might do for pain. You just put this on your skin. It sticks. You open it up like this, peel it, and you stick it on your skin. And it lasts for 24 hours. And then after 24 hours are up, then you put a new one on. How many in a pack? Let's see. So here's the Freedom pack. So the Freedom, actually I think I have that covered up, has 28. I have it, my little sticker on it, but it has 28 in the pack. And you can give me a call if you want to know more. But there's 28 in the pack. I'll have my information in the description box. And you just put one on, like you can just create a routine. Like you put it on after your shower in the morning, you put it on before you go to bed at night, or you can just wear it whenever you might have pain. Not everyone has pain every day. I use it as needed. Like if you have a headache, you might put it on the back of your neck right here, right on the nape of your neck. That's a nice spot. It doesn't get bumped. It sticks really well there. I've seen people put them literally on their forehead if they have a really bad headache. But the main thing with the freedom patch particularly is you try to put it between your brain and the pain. So if you have an elbow that hurts, you don't want to put it down here, you want to put it up here between your brain and the pain. Or if your knee hurts, you can put it on your thigh or something like that. What if they don't stick? Well, I mean, they do stick really well. They're water resistant, I guess we would say, but you can swim in them and shower in them and things like that. But some people have a little bit more oil in their skin, so it might not be as sticky for them. If you have, quite a bit of hair on your skin, that makes it harder for it to stick. I would pick a clean, dry, hairless or the least amount of hair spot to place these on your body. Sometimes people use a little bit of alcohol or some kind of an astringent to kind of clear the skin before, so it sticks a little bit better. Some people use like an aloe vera gel, like pure aloe vera, and they put it on the skin and then they let that dry. Then they put the patches on it. I've never tried that myself, but I've heard good results for sticking and for people who have sensitive skin that might want to try that. People who have really dry, flaky skin, you might want to exfoliate first. I've tried to place patches on people who have really, really dry skin. And the patches don't stick as well because there's just so many layers of dry skin that just can't the adhesive can't stick on it. So, maybe just exfoliate a little bit with a loofah or something like that in the shower before, and then you place it on there. The one thing that we can't control is that some people have very sensitive skin. I have friends who have very sensitive skin and they do fine with these patches, surprisingly, because they've never had very good luck with other things on their skin, and that's always super exciting when they can use the patches because they need them. And but as Jay Dollywall says, there's 5% of the population that just isn't able to tolerate the adhesive, and it's the cleanest, best adhesive we could possibly use. It's FDA registered, like I said. It's medical grade, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be 100% for everybody. Let's see. But first, before you decide you are part of the 5% who can't use it, try all the different ways that I've explained. Try it on skin that's less sensitive. Like, this skin is more sensitive than maybe this skin, or vice versa, depending on who you are. But below the knee, like on your calf or on the side there, the skin's not very as sensitive, in my opinion. So that could work. I put mine on my bum, and on my underwear just like keeps it from getting bumped, or every once in a while, like when you bump it, if it's on, you can peel just a little bit. So, we want to put it in a place that's not going to get bumped a lot. So that's my advice for that. And that's the basic questions that I get. Each patch works nearly instantly. Like in 7 seconds, we can do a demo test, and your balance and stability will improve with our Liberty patch or our Victory patch. So it's all it takes is 7 seconds for the signal, the neural code to run up through your skin to your brain, and you will feel that difference. We have patches for sleeping. You put them on right before bed, wear them, and all night long you'll sleep deeper. We have people who wear Fitbits and things like that, these little watches that track all that, and their numbers are so much better with the REM patch. We have a peace patch that helps with reduce stress in your life. You just put a patch on, and all of a sudden you're not stressed out as much. So you can just relax and go through your day and have a much more pleasant experience. We have 12 different patches. We have a patch for everything, just about. They really work. I mean, and we have a 30-day money back guarantee if you don't feel like it's working for you, but they really, really, really work. I just really encourage you to give them a try and see how you respond. And I'll put a link in the description box with my testimony group. I've got thousands and thousands of testimonies in there. You can even do a search for different symptoms that you may be wanting to address, and there'll be a testimony that will show how it's helped some person who's suffering with the same thing. I'll also put my website. We have so much information on the website. We have so many, all of our clinical studies are on the website. If you play sports, we have a lot of sports statistics about how the victory patch improves your speed, your endurance, your strength, and all these metrics that are amazing, absolutely amazing. So the website's really well done for that kind of thing. We also have some testimonies on there too. So I'll have that link to my website. You can go check it out. You can, you can Google it. You can go on YouTube and look at other people's testimonies. We have so many videos, so much information, and it just works. And it's completely drug-free, not addictive. And if you don't like it, just take the patch off. It's not like a pill. Once you take a pill, it's in there, right? I mean, so the patch, you can put it on, feel if it feels right for you, and if it doesn't, take it off. But I mean, you'll really be surprised how amazing this technology is, and I really, really entreat you to try it. Just give it a try. We're not high pressure people here. We just want to help, and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you watched all the way through, that's awesome. I appreciate a thumbs up. You could subscribe even, that would be awesome. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. Okay, thanks so much. Have a great day.